Hi everyone, in this video, I'm going to show you how to use Canva AI translation. Canva AI translation is a new feature that allows you to translate your design into over 100 languages. It's really easy to use and it can save you a lot of time and effort. So let's start. To get started, open the Canva design that you want to translate, then click on the apps icon in the top right corner of the screen. In the apps window, search for Translate and click on the Translate app. The Translate app will open on the left side of the screen. In the Translate app, enter the language that you want to translate your design into. With this, the Translate app will adapt the font size for you if the translated text is longer or replace a visually similar font if your original font doesn't have the characters for the translated text. You can also manually adjust the font size and font if you want. Once you are happy with the translation, click on the Translate button. The Translate app will translate your design and replace the original text with the translated text. That's it! You are now successfully used Canva AI translation to translate your design into another language. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more tutorials. And thanks for watching. And apologize for my Chinese accent. Bye!